you're looking at is one of the biggest milestones in Bengaluru's transportation history. After years of planning and construction, the much-awaited Pink Line of Namma Metro is finally set to open on August 15, 2026, marking another major step towards a faster, smarter, and better connected city. From this breathtaking aerial perspective, you can truly appreciate the scale of this incredible infrastructure project. Stretching across one of Bengaluru's busiest corridors, the Pink Line has been designed to improve connectivity, reduce travel time, and provide a comfortable alternative to the city's ever-growing traffic congestion. Every station, every pillar, and every section of track represents years of engineering, planning, and hard work. What once existed only on project reports and construction blueprints has now become a reality that millions of commuters will soon experience every single day. From above, the Pink Line blends beautifully into the city's skyline, showcasing how modern infrastructure can coexist with the vibrant neighborhoods of Bengaluru.